Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Let's show you how to install a drawer outlet. Drawer outlets can be very convenient and make your bathrooms look less cluttery. For this project, you will need a cover with a knockout hole in it, strain relief connector, 12-2 SO cord, a cut-in box, outlet, cover plate, multi-tool, and screw gun. So you were able to fish your wire behind the bathroom countertop. Now what the heck do you do? First, you want to install the SO cord to the box on the wall. Fish the SO cord through the strain relief and secure it to the cover. Make your wiring connections and screw on the cover. Cut in the box to the back of the drawer. Make sure your drawer will be able to close. If you don't have a lot of room between your drawer and wall, you can cut out the wall so it will go in and out properly, or you can surface mount the outlet inside the drawer. Install the SO cord and strain relief on the box connector. Test the drawer several times and see what happens with the SO cord. I usually will install PVC straps to the wall so the cord doesn't fall down or get in the way of another drawer. After that, all you do is install the outlet. For more help, visit thevirtualelectrician.com and schedule a virtual electrician for help.